welcome to my channel. You see it. We jumping right into this next tutorial. We're using the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette. And we're going in with that shade right there, and we're going to apply that as our transition shade. And we're just going to pack that on and blend that out. I'm using my NYX base, one of my favorite bases. And now I'm doing some weird shit. So we're just going to keep going in with this fluffy blending brush, and we're just going to blend that shade out. Now we're going in with a deeper purple shade, and we're just going to pile that shade all over top of the transition shade. The transition shade is looking kind of pink on camera, but it was more lavender. But I guess that's just the way it's showing up on film. But we're just going to keep blending out that purple shade with that ColourPop brush. And we're just going to keep repeating the steps. Now we're taking a clean brush and we're just blending everything. We want everything kind of to melt into each other. And like I said, we're going to keep repeating the steps because we want to build up that deep purple in our outer V. So we keep applying and we keep blending. And I don't want to lose any of my transition shade while I'm doing that. So that's why we're going to keep repeating until I get what I think I like. With these Huda palettes, you know that I love them. This is my first time using the purple palette. I'm going to call it the purple palette. But I really like this palette too. I thought this would be like one of like my faves, but no. But I mean, I like it though. The shimmery shades are nice. The deep shades are really good. They blend out good on me. Some of the light color shades are a little patchy, but I mean, I'm okay with that. It's really worth your coin. I really recommend them. Y'all know I have a couple. So you got to keep just building up, blending out. And that's what we're going to keep doing here. I learned to have patience now that I'm getting better with my makeup. And I learned when I'm going for a look or if I get inspired by a look, I got to take my time and try it and don't give up. Like, this takes patience. You got to, like, trust the process. I keep applying the purple. I keep patting it and then blending it out. I'm going in with this BH Cosmetics brush. I wet my brush with some Fix Plus, and we're just going to apply that shade all over the lid. We're not doing a cut crease or anything, guys. We just applying that shade all over the lid, and that fucking shade is gorgeous. Like, I'm so fucking excited. That shade is so pretty. So we're just going to apply it like even right on top of that purple so we can get that kind of faded effect. And we're just going to keep applying it. So we're going to flip the brush around and we're going to go into the second shimmery shade. And we're going to put that like in the innermost part of our eyelid. And we're just going to blend that into that other shade. And I mean, these shimmery shades in this fucking palette are amazing. They really wowed me. And normally it's the matte shades, but these shimmery shades were so pretty. We're going to go back in with that deep purple shade, and we're just going in right there. That's also a shimmery shade. And we're just going to blend out the edges between the matte purple and the shimmery purple. So I'm just doing that to blend out that harsh line. And I mean, you do what you want with your eyeshadow. It's trial and error. Like, everybody is not a fucking makeup artist. Like, I have my channel because I want to learn how to do makeup, and I want to show y'all like what I've learned during the way. So my foundation is already on, guys, and I'm going in with my concealer. I'm going to conceal all the spots I want to be highlighted. Now with my nose contour, I noticed that I don't take the concealer all the way down anymore. I blend out my concealer always with a damp beauty blender or a brush. I'm using a beauty blender right now. Matter of fact, oh my God, I'm using a Real Technique sponge. Lord. So we're going to blend everything out. And oh my God, I think I'm using my Becca foundation and my Fenty mixed together, which is so bomb. I'm so glad I mixed these two foundations together because oh my God, full coverage, perfect shade, bomb. So now we're just setting our under eye with our Maybelline setting powder. And it's the loose setting powder. And I just make sure I blend everything in. I really don't play no games. We're going to contour with our Fenty Matchstick in Espresso. And we're going to blend that out. And we're going to get all bronzed and get our life together. You got to trust the process. Like, I'm so happy that I kept going with this makeup. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Because I'm just going to get better and better. I mean, we're going to get better and better together. We're going to grow. We're taking this small pointed brush and we're going to blend out our nose contour. And then we're going to take one of my favorite brushes, my NYX like fan brush. And we're just going to blend out our contour. We're going into our Black Radiance contour kit. And we're just going to set all the areas we put on that Fenty Beauty Matchstick. And we're going to set our nose. We're going to set our full face with this Cover FX N90. And I mean, we're going to apply this all over our face. And then we're going in with MAC Breath of Plum. And we're going to apply that all to our cheeks. And we're going in with one of my faves at the moment. I'm going in with that shade right there to highlight my skin. Yes. And then we're using one of the shade from this highlight palette just for our inner corner highlight. Love you, bitch. Love you. So now we're going to complete this look, guys. We're going in and we're just using that dark shade, that dark purple shade, and we're going to just buff out the our bottom lash line. And we're going to connect it too, guys. So hey guys, I got my lashes on as I showed y'all in the video. I went with the London lash and it's a full and intense. That's the description of it. But they really look nice and light to me. I want to repurchase some more of these London lashes because they're not so like dramatic like the Mykonos and the Miami lash that really just like overpower my face. So I like a natural lash sometimes, and this is really wispy and thin. So the London lash is like one of my favorite lashes from Lily Lashes because it's just simple. It's not so dramatic. So I finished my face. I finished the eyes. I'm going to jump into my lip. I'm just going to do a new lip. Something simple. I'm going to go in with my Cherish from MAC. But first I'm going to just line my lips with a brown lip liner. And then I'm just going to go in with Cherish from MAC. Let me get a little mirror. I think that's a good amount. And we're just going to fix this up with this brown lip liner. This is an NYX lip liner in Cocoa. Go in with a gloss, and I'm using this gloss called Ritzy from Huda Beauty. It's like a goldy type gloss, and we're just going to put that in the middle of our lips. And we're just going to blend that in. I'm going to grab a pencil brush that I got from Sigma. And just going to make sure we're all blended. Yeah. Pretty good. And guys, this is the finished look. Wow. This is bomb. Take a look, babe. Take a look. Y'all already know I have an obsession with these Huda Beauty Obsession palettes. I have quite a few. I really think that her eyeshadows are a good formula. I really think the color scheme of all the Obsession palettes are really good and planned out. The color payoff is really good. It's inexpensive, $27, really durable, comes with a mirror. I'm going to do like 2 looks with all the palettes that I have from her, because I know some of the palettes I did a couple looks, and some of the palettes I just did 1 look and that was it. So I'm going to try to do like a mini palette series type thing because I love them so much. But just to show you a couple looks you can get out the palette so you can get your money's worth. This right here, I didn't use no liner. I didn't cut my crease as you see in the video. I just went in and I just went with the flow. Blended everything out, and I really like how this came out, guys. If you want to get into these Huda eyeshadows, I really recommend that you do because they're really good. Like I said, I got about like 5 palettes already, and I love them all. So a couple of things I love too is my foundation today. So I mixed my Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation with my Fenty Beauty Foundation. This is in the shade 400, my Fenty Beauty. And then my foundation, my Becca, is in Sienna. The Sienna is way too dark for me. Like even in the summertime it's too dark. And I feel like my 400 and my Fenty is a little flat for me. This gave me a perfect shade that I really love, and it's full coverage. And I will be mixing these two together again. Another thing that I love, I just started purchasing items from Kylie Cosmetics, and I haven't been let down. Like, I have a couple of things from her, but I'm waiting for a palette to come in, guys. But I had to dig into this Kylie Love Jordan collection. This is the highlighter collection. Now, I know I used Inseparable before, which is the shade right here. But today, I went in with Together Forever. And, guys, really nice. Really deep skin friendly, dark skin girl friendly. Really love it. The shades are pigmented. The quality of just the packaging is nice. I'm a sucker for packaging. The way my items came to my house was just nice, like foolproof, like nothing will break at all. Really will be purchasing more stuff from Kylie Cosmetics, and I'm just excited to even play in this even more. Like, this is so pretty. And I think that's it, guys. I want to say just thank you for watching my video, guys, and I will see you on the next tutorial.